Fall is the perfect time of year to incorporate some crock-pot recipes into your menu. Today I am making a pot roast, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is CrockPotPalooza. CrockPotPalooza is a crockpot cooking challenge hosted by Jessica Rose and Tiffany from Small Town 6. I'm going to link their channels in my description box below, and I hope that you will go check out their channels along with the playlist of the other people who participated and get tons of crockpot ideas. So today I used just a simple pot roast, added some water, a few seasonings, and some vegetables, and it turned out delicious. So let's get busy cooking. So I started with 1.5 pounds of pot roast, and I put it down in my crock pot, and I added 1.5 cups of water. You could substitute that for red wine if you would like. Then I added a package of Italian dressing seasoning, followed by a package of ranch dressing seasoning. Then I added brown gravy seasoning, and I took this and I put it all together just on top of the meat, and I turned my crock pot on low, covered it, and cooked it for 5 to 6 hours.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane.
After cooking on low for about 5 hours, I decided it was time to add my vegetables. I chose to slice and add some celery, carrots, onions, and red potatoes. Then I continued to cook it on low for another 2 to 3 hours.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy
guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you will try this recipe. It really turned out very good for a nice fall evening, and it would be great for winter as well. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Grab your cup.